Hi and welcome back to the Sektor Malaysia channel. Today, we're excited to unbox the Element Tanso POS Tablet, a sleek, powerful companion designed to enhance your digital experience. Inside the box, we have the Tanso POS Tablet. A tablet case. A USB-C cable, and a powerful 45W Type-C adapter. The Touch POS tablet is equipped with a vibrant display, Windows 11 efficiency, and an Alder Lake-N 100 processor featuring 4 cores, 4 threads, and a boost speed of up to 3.4 GHz, all supported by 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of ROM, redefining on-the-go productivity. With multi-touch capability, Intel UHD graphics, IPS resolution, and 4K media decoding, it delivers a truly immersive media experience. Now, let's secure the protective case. As it snaps into place, notice its sleek design with a built-in kickstand and handle, making it the perfect companion for an enhanced, on-the-go experience. Now, let's take a closer look at the device features. On the left side, you'll find the power button, volume controls, speaker, and AUX. Over on the right, there's the USB-C charging port and another speaker. At the back, the device is equipped with a 5.0 MP camera, while the front features a 2.0 MP camera. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in pricing or availability, don't hesitate to contact Sektor Malaysia for more information. Subscribe today for more upcoming videos.